Smoke point diving Luo Ba. Wash this radish before slicing it. Okay, it's clean now. Beginning. Sit down and put on an apron. Let's ice in, okay? Then just give him 7 receipts. Look how thick it is. I found that I cut it quite evenly, a full portion. Big basin now. Get ready to kill the water. I cut 6. Add a little salt to the radish. Then add some white sugar. We'll use white sugar, salt, sand, and water today. Put on your gloves and let's begin. Stir. Seeing you come home makes you look like Sister Nicholas after removing her makeup and taking care of your skin. Wow, you've really shrunk. Look, it'll soften in a bit. Look at the water. When did you get so many? Actually, if you think it's too salty after washing it, then give it 2. If the water isn't salty immediately, you can directly add salt, but I always have to. Vote. Live a little longer. It's like hitting his balls with all your might. Okay, open. I've started testing it, hee hee. I prepared garlic, slices of ginger, some small red chilies, and some infused liquor. Oh, my husband. There's Xiaomi too. Add some more ginger slices. Let's start seasoning. Add some brown sugar. Then add some white sugar. This is white vinegar. A little bit of light soy sauce. It's quite simple, and most importantly, here comes the next step. I put in a bottle of Sprite. Oh my god. Haha. I was startled. I got a bottle and started stirring it, then I changed to another one. Gloves. Just spread the paste evenly on him and he can eat it now. Eat and drink well, then put it in jars. I found a clean brush and dried it a little bit. If you don't have that, you can put it inside. This is calling them respectable and formidable. Look at this pot of men and horses, not a single one of them. If there's anything left, just find a street vendor and dump it there. There was just a little soup left, that's all. We can eat this tomorrow. It's called the diving radish. Every year, my family. I'm probably getting a serious case of radish poisoning. When it gets cold, you could eat it with some porridge or something. It'd be so convenient. Put it in the refrigerator.